Let me share this quick recipe with you. Your next egg sauce, try and make it this way. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, if today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy and healthy recipes. Because of that, please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. Let's start with today's agenda. Okay, I have my spinach here. I will just go ahead and steam it. Okay, whenever I say I steamed my spinach, people do ask me how did I do it. So this is how I usually do it. I steam it for just a minute and this is done. In my bowl I have my eggs here. I'm just going to break the number of eggs we are going to use in this recipe. Should you want to use 1 egg or 2 or any quantity, please go ahead and use it. Okay, thank you so much. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do all to follow us for more videos and you will love it there as well. Now after we are done breaking our eggs, I'm just going to beat it and then we proceed with the recipe. So we use 10 eggs and that is the quantity we have there. Okay, now in my cooking pot I have my coconut oil. I'll just go ahead and add my chopped onions and then wait for a while. After that I will add my next ingredient. Please do want to subscribe or follow for more videos and also share this video to other people so that we will get a lot of subscribers or followers. Now add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion. Okay, I grinded that in my earthenware. You can just go ahead and then blend it if that is what you want. Okay, now we will fry that and wait for some few minutes, and after that I'm just going to add my fresh chopped tomatoes and then allow this to cook very well before we proceed. Should you want to use tomato paste, you can go ahead and use that, or if you want to use tomato sauce, you can go ahead and do that. But I want some fiber in the stew, that is why I am using the chopped tomatoes. Okay, let that cook very well, and as you can see, it is well cooked. Now I am just going to introduce my eggs, and then after that we are going to cover this for some few minutes and then give it a stir to get that chunky eggs in the stew. Our motive is to get chunky eggs, okay, in the stew. So at this moment I'm just going to give it a gentle stir and then wait for some few minutes before I add any other ingredients. It is so good. So before I forget, I added some seasoning to the tomatoes when I was frying it. Okay, I added some seasoning before adding the eggs. Now our stew looks so good, and I have added my steamed spinach. Okay, you can go ahead and add any green leaves that you have. If you want to add contemporary, you can go ahead and add it to it. Okay, and I'll give it a stir, taste for salt, and I think the salt is okay, and it is already tasting so good. Yes, if you pair this with your plantain or yam, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. Now we are going to wait for some few minutes and I'll show you how the stew is looking. It is cooking so well, and I'll just go ahead and add my fish. Okay, basically I don't like adding fish to my egg stew. Okay, but with this fish I didn't want to discard it, and if I leave it in the fridge it may be there for a very long time because I'm not going to use it for anything. So I decided to add it to the stew. Okay, but basically I don't like adding fish to my egg stew, especially if I am the only one going to enjoy this. Okay, yeah. So now I tasted for salt again, and oh my goodness, it tastes so good. We will leave it for some few minutes, and this is how our stew is looking. It was nice with plantains and yam. You can pair this with your rice and you are good to go. Do you know something? Please, you can't afford to miss the next upload, so subscribe or follow for more videos. And please do well to take good care of yourself, eat healthy, and know that I love you. Till we meet again, see you in the next video. Bye bye.